Realme GT5 is arriving on August 28th, and today, the company revealed the design of the phone. It will have 3 cameras and an LED light on the back, but this time the island spans from one side to the other, similar to what Google has implemented in its Pixel phones in the past few generations. Teasers also confirmed a 5,240 mAh battery with 240W fast charging and a SuperVOOC S power management chip that will take care of the cell. The design of the camera island reminded us of the Realme GT3 with the duo of circles for the cameras. However, the LED rectangle is now sitting vertically, it doesn't have tacky writing, and we can only see Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, SuperVOOC, and NFC, somewhat relevant features. Realme CEO Wu-Chi Chase said the new looks is achieved with a breakthrough glass technology in the mobile industry, and will be the best-looking smartphone in the history of the brand. The hero color is called Flowing Silver Mirror, machine translated, and will be a product of hot forging glass curving for ultimate aesthetics. The smartphone will also come with a separate display chip for optimized visual performance and increased refresh rate. It will have a 24GB RAM plus 1TB storage option and will be just a warm-up for the Realme GT5 Pro, expected later this year with a 3rd-gen Snapdragon 8 chipset by Qualcomm.